Well, good morning and happy Independence Day if you're celebrating something like that. It's the 4th of July today. We are doing some general haulage today, which means we got a curtain cider which is empty right now. We're going to Manchester to get it loaded, and we gotta go all over the place, just around Liverpool area, and we're gonna do our drops and eventually another collection sometime later this afternoon. But first let's go to Manchester. It's what time is it? 7:30 right now. This is the usual traffic on our way to Manchester on the M62. Go to Trafford Park, load some Kellogg's stuff, very light, and we're gonna start doing our deliveries. So let's go. Trailer, we got tall 952, tall 952 with the roof blown open. Someone smashed the bridge or something. We're going to Aldi. Fuck's sake, fuck's sake. A couple of things I would like to say about these new MANs. I believe that it's trying to copy the Scania, even though I'm not sure if copying is the right word, because MAN is owned by Volkswagen, same as Scania. So I would say it's just probably a cheaper alternative to a Scania, because there are a lot of similarities. The whole dash layout, the way that the steering wheel can be adjusted, the screen, the multimedia, everything. Okay, it's very comfortable. I like the seating position. I like the fact that you can put the steering wheel wherever you want it to. But I'm not sure about all of them. But this truck is pretty loaded with technology. It's got the ACC, the adaptive cruise control. It's got all kinds of sensors. It's got the proximity sensors, just like you will have on a small car. You know, that light that shows up in your mirror. This truck has its sensors on its side, and these lights right here on the pillars, they light up when you have something on your left or your right or whatever. Now on this truck seems to be an error or a fault already, and it's only got 284,000 kilometers. The sensors on the left, they don't work for some reason. It shows a message that the sensors are blocked, or I don't know. They are decently clean, but yeah, they don't work, and it's only like 1 year old because it's a 22 plate. So a lot of things, a lot of technology, but more reasons for things to fail, I would say. Also, it's pretty squeaky. I'm not sure if you can hear all the squeaking going around. It's definitely cheaper. It's a cheaper plastic than the Scania, but probably is because it's cheaper. This truck is locked in efficiency plus, which means it's really lazy. I mean, it's more lazier than a DAF. It barely pulls once you get to once you get some load in it. I'm not sure about the other modes, because as I've said, this one it's locked. It only does 53 miles an hour, but if you're gonna press the accelerator pedal, it will go up to 56. When I'm in a rush, I do go with full pedal down with 56 miles an hour. But if I'm not in a rush, I just let it do its own thing, and cruising around at 53. But it still has the same things that the older mans used to have, you know, that very annoying brake assist, or how the hell do they call it, the fact that you push the brake, let's say you're going down a hill at 50 miles an hour, and if you don't press the accelerator after that, you will keep braking itself and try to keep it at 50 miles an hour. I'm not too sure how to explain it. I think I've showed it in a past video. You had one button and you could turn it off. Now on this truck I can't find that button. So it's pretty annoying. Also the eco rolls, you can't like really turn them off, and it's probably because of the this mode, the efficient plus, but it cuts the acceleration way too early on top of, before the top of the hill, and he's trying to, I don't know, let it roll over with 45 miles an hour sometimes, even though you can set it to a lower eco roll, it's still trying to do the same thing. It's very annoying, and also is very lazy. So both of them together, I mean, they're not, it's not ideal. I like the comfort, I really like the sitting position, the driving position, everything is pretty quiet except for the rattling. It's comfortable. As I've said, it's trying to be the Scania, and it does a pretty well-ish job, but it's not a Scania, and it will never be. Couple of trucks waiting. Fuck's sake. Fuck's sake. Shut your door, mate. I'm taking it with me. I think I'm gonna be here a long time. Wow. I was not expecting to go straight in and tip straight away. Well, of course, that was after I've watched the health and safety video, and I also took a test from the health and safety video. It's just some of the places. I mean, don't get me wrong. For someone who's not familiar with the electric trucks, with the electric pump trucks, okay, makes total sense. I've told them I've never been to Aldi Ambient, okay? I've been to Aldi Chilled Distribution. It's the same building, just another side of the building. I've tipped there. I know how to use an electric truck, but no, I'm gonna need another training and another test for the same kind of equipment that I was using on the chill side. So it doesn't make any sense. I need some kind of sign, man. I need a sign. I don't have a map, I don't have anything. Oh, perfect. All deliveries left. I cannot get away from shop deliveries, can I? Oh man. Right. Let's see where we need to be. I don't think this is it. Ah, here we go. Got a lot of trucks in here. Oh man. 2 other trucks going to get tipped, probably. Or 3. Fuck's sake. Oh man. Right, so we got 2 options. Either drive in and do a crazy spinning, or just try and set it now. I'm gonna turn right there and then reverse all the way back, because I've been told it's crazy tight. so I don't want to break an air hose or anything, so we're just gonna do the maneuver now. Not ideal. Let's check. Yeah, very good. Right, and then wait some more. An hour and a half. I mean, tipping itself doesn't take long. I think I've been tipped in less than 15 minutes. Thanks, mate. Less than 15 minutes, but it's just the queue, you know. 3 other trucks in front of me. You just have to wait. You got no other option. When I've seen my my manifest this morning, 4 deliveries and 2 collections, I was like, that's easy, 9 hours. But hell no, it can't be done, because everywhere you go you're gonna wait. You're gonna wait a lot. The next one we're gonna do, I've only got 1 pallet. See how long we'll wait for just 1 pallet. Oh, goods in. Okay, we turn left here. Take these cars with us. Not bad actually. Only see 1 truck getting tipped. Not bad at all. Kid you not, 39 minutes. 39 minutes for 1 pallet. It's just absurd. But what can you do? I mean, they have to count every single thing that's in it. Every single thing that was on that pallet. It was like waist high, wasn't even that high. Multiple products in it. As I've said, general haulage sometimes sucks. Right, let's go to the last delivery. I got 4 stacks of pallets for these guys. Just around the corner, just 15 minutes away. I can't believe I didn't film this. So I went in, I'll show you the street in 1 sec. This is the road right here. This guy was waiting. I thought he was on break or whatever. I just went straight in, and they were like, no, you have to go out and wait for him to go in, and then you can come in. I was like, fucking hell, where do they expect us to wait here? Oh man, this driver, what a legend. I forgot his name. Is one of my followers. He knows me from YouTube, but he thought that I was gonna go here. He wasn't expecting me to go in as well. I didn't want him to jump the queue or whatever. So he's going on the bay as well. I'm going on the bay as well. So I'm waiting after him. I'm on double yellows right here. I got my hazards light on, but for some reason the car stopped just behind me. I've got like literally nowhere to go. That's a dead end. I mean, you can't go anywhere. I don't know why they are not letting us in, because there's plenty of space in there. Oh, what a mess in here. What a day. What a way to finish my day. Sake. Check out this bay. This is a bay. Fuck's sake. Not even sure how to approach it. Just gonna do it like this. Try to get as straight as I possibly can, because there's like really no room, oops, for any error. Nothing. Zero. You only got inches on each side. One thing I like about this man is that the steering is really light. I think I'm gonna stop here. I'm not too sure how much should I reverse. Come on. Why are you losing air? Let's see how we're gonna get out. I think I'm gonna drive forwards and then reverse on the right, or something like that. Can I turn the right here without touching the trailer? Yeah. And then I'll spin here. Now we should be good to go. Right, back to Manchester to get another trailer, then back to the yard, and we call it a day. Why are we going to toll roads? What are we doing? What's this guy doing? Fuck's sake. Fuck's sake. Cheers, pal. Thanks for your help. Alright, that was it. That was my general distribution day. Catch you next time. Bye.